Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel for day 4 of the Power Hour collab that I'm doing with Kristin from Kristin's Chaotic Life. Here's a list of what I want to do and achieve for this Power Hour. I want to change the bedding in the master bedroom, make Alex's bed, I changed the bedding on that yesterday, dust the bedrooms and office, put dried washing away, empty dishwasher, vacuum upstairs, tidy lounge, vacuum lounge, and if I have time, make some carrot muffins. So let's just get started. So I thought today I would do a voiceover for you over little bits and have a little chat and catch up. So as you guys can see, I'm stripping our bed and I'm going to make it with fresh bedding. It is the best feeling in the world to get into a bed that's been freshly made. Whilst you guys watch me make the bed, I just wanted to give another shout out to Kristin from Kristin's Chaotic Life for putting together this collab. It's a fab idea and there's quite a few YouTubers taking part. If you would like, this is open to anyone who wants to take part. So if you do have a YouTube channel, you can take part. You don't have to do the 5 days. You can just do whatever suits you. It's on until Friday and you can add directly to the playlist. By the way, I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I'm wearing my pajamas. I did it on yesterday's video as well. Don't worry, they're in the wash now. After cleaning for such a long time, I am ready to get some fresh pajamas, and with the fresh bedding, you know, you've got to do that. I'm just putting my Scentsy warmer on. I'm using some Glade pods and they're actually not too bad at all. I'm doing a dusting around, and I'm sorry for the reflection, but I wanted you guys to see that I'm cleaning my windows, so you get a little bit of glare, but it won't be for very long. I would love to hear from you guys in the comments whether watching these videos have motivated you, and let me know if you've tackled something in your house that you normally hate doing. God, I still love this Dyson so much. It's so easy to take it around and just get everything vacuumed. I can probably get a whole vacuum of my house with one charge without having to charge it, if it is obviously fully charged. Now I'm making Alex's bed. As you can see, I've taken out the duvet because Alex at the moment is all about layers. He's always hot when he gets in bed, and then but before I go to bed, I go in to check on him and I add that extra blanket that's at the bottom, and that seems to keep him warm enough. This bedroom tends to get super dusty. Oh, did you guys just see that awful castle? Alex made me buy him that from a junk shop. He says it's the vampire's castle, another new obsession of his. So, and also if you can see on the little table, I just put this dome thing. That's actually a gift that he got when he went to one of his little friends' party, and I think they're growing those plants that eat flies, so he's super excited about that. And now just vacuuming the room as well. Okay, so moving on to my office, I've got to put all the clothes. This is actually Alex's bedding that I washed yesterday. It's now dry, and a few other white bits that I put in the wash. I'm just going to put all of that away.
and then I can tackle the office. Now you guys might have noticed by now that I always wear an apron, and this is a Portuguese thing. I actually had a subscriber tell me she knew immediately I was Portuguese because I was wearing an apron. Like in Portugal for cleaning we wear aprons, you know, like my mum did, my grandmother did, not just for cooking. We just use it all the time to prevent, I guess, bleach from getting on our clothes and things like that. So all the upstairs is done and I'm just coming downstairs, and as you can see, the living room is in really good shape. It's just plumping up cushions and having a quick vacuum around. Now, if you guys have followed me for a little while, you know that my dishwasher is broken and my husband was able to fix it for me, so I was thrilled. It was a bit of a patch-up work to make it start working again, but it's working, so I'm really grateful for that. And by the way, I'm loving the setup. You guys, if you saw day one, you saw that I changed a few things in the kitchen and it's really opened up the space for me. I'm really loving it. Now I'm just going to do a quick wipe down. It's not very dirty because all we've done is breakfast, so that's okay. It's just for a freshen up and an extra clean. And now guys, I'm just checking everything off. I have achieved everything apart from making the carrot cakes, but that's okay. And I'm just going to leave you with an overlook of how all the rooms that I cleaned look now. Thank you very much for watching. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and press the little bell so you don't miss out on any other videos. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.